Welcome back. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about how to install dependency on our Expo project. So let's get started. Now, I want to install a dependency called Expo image picker. As you can see on my package.json, this is where you get to see all the dependencies you've installed in your app. So far, I've just installed some couple of dependencies. Then I want to add another dependency. So in your Expo terminal, you can run some commands that would install a dependency for you. The first one is if you are using Mac, you must add sudo to your command every single time, but it's not applied to Windows. Don't do this on Windows, only MacBook. So I'm going to say sudo, and what is it used for? It's going to enable, give you access to install this particular dependency on your projects. Okay, so it's going to ask for permission before it does that. The command is npm install, then expo dash image dash picker. Now, if I run this command, npm, which means node package manager, is going to install this package on my project. So if you run npm, there's another one which is called expo, which is the recommended command package for installing dependencies. So npx expo. Now, we have npx here, which stands for node package execute. Then we have expo. So what this npx expo will do is it's going to install this package and check for the compatible the version that is compatible with your Expo SDK. Currently, as at this time of recording, I have Expo 49. So if I run this command, it's going to install this package and the version of this package that is compatible with my Expo version as well. So because all your dependencies works with your Expo SDK. Okay, so your npx expo install would install the latest version. Then what about npm? npm install would install the latest version of this dependency. The latest version of this dependency might not be compatible with your Expo SDK. Maybe if the version is too high for Expo, your Expo SDK is going to cause your app to break down, or it will cause your app not to work properly. So the recommended version or package for install this is npx. You know that you can use npm. You can also use npm in the case of some dependency they've gotten to their highest um, version, or they've not made publish a new update on those versions. You can use npm to install them. If you also want to use npm, you can also specify the version of dependency that you want to install. For example, I'm going to show us that. So when I run this command now with npx expo install, it prompts my password to enter my password. So I'm going to enter my password and it's going to start installing. So as you can see, our dependency has been installed successfully. Let me expand this. Now you see installing one SDK 49.0.0 and a compatible native module using npm. Is trying to install this package that is compatible with our SDK 49, that is our Expo SDK. So added two package audited 1286. So everything has been installed. Going back to our package.json, at the bottom you're going to notice that the package has been installed. So here we go. Expo image picker has been installed successfully. So sometimes when you want to install other dependencies, let's say this SDK is too low. So sometimes you can do something like including an @ sign at the end. At latest, it's going to install the latest version of this dependency for you. Sometimes if you know the version you want to install, You can also specify it here, let's say version 3, or let's say version 15.5.3. Yeah, it's going to install this package with this exact version for you. Okay, that is how you install packages in React Native. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.